Journey back to the heart of American agriculture in the past, where innovation met tradition on the fields of hardworking farmers. Explore the timeless allure of vintage tools that once plowed, sowed, and reaped the bounty of the land, embodying the spirit of a generation dedicated to nurturing the soil. Walking plows. The backbone of traditional farming, walking plows were pivotal in preparing the land for cultivation. Operated with the strength of humans and the power of animals, these plows carved through the soil, turning it over to reveal the fertile underlayer. Their design varied from simple wooden beams to metal blades, each tailored to the specific needs of the terrain they tilled. Crank seeders. Precision and uniformity in seed planting were the hallmarks of the crank seeder. With a turn of the crank, seeds were sown at consistent intervals, ensuring even crop growth. These devices revolutionized planting methods, offering efficiency and reducing the laborious task of hand-seeding vast expanses. Sickle bar mowers. The rhythmic sound of the sickle bar mower was a hallmark of harvesting seasons. These mowers, with their long, serrated blades, swung back and forth, cutting through hay and grass with precision. Attached to horses or small tractors, they were essential for small to medium-sized farms, enabling farmers to harvest their fields with relative ease. Horse-drawn cultivators. Before the widespread adoption of tractors, horse-drawn cultivators were the go-to for maintaining crops. These tools were designed to aerate the soil and remove weeds, promoting healthy crop growth. Their use required a harmonious relationship between the farmer, the horse, and the land, illustrating a deep connection to the earth. Grain cradles. Harvesting grain by hand was made significantly more efficient with the grain cradle. Combining the action of cutting with the ability to gather and lay down stalks, these tools were a common sight in fields of wheat and barley. The grain cradle exemplified the meticulous nature of harvest time, where every stalk was carefully collected and bound. Hand corn shellers. The simple yet effective design of hand corn shellers made them indispensable for processing corn. These devices allowed for the quick removal of kernels from the cob, a task that would otherwise be painstakingly slow. Hand corn shellers were a testament to the ingenuity of farm tool design, making the most of mechanical advantage to ease the farmer's burden. Fanning mills. The final step in grain preparation was often left to the fanning mill. This machine cleaned the grain, removing dirt, debris, and imperfections, ensuring that only the highest quality product was stored or sold. The fanning mill was a fixture in barns and granaries, its operation critical to the success of the farm. Barn trolley. Barn trolleys, also known as hay trolleys or loft carriers, were once ubiquitous in the agricultural landscape. These ingenious devices revolutionized the storage and handling of hay in barns. Suspended from overhead tracks, barn trolleys allowed farmers to effortlessly move heavy bales of hay from the fields into the loft for storage. With a system of pulleys and ropes, farmers could hoist loads with minimal effort, maximizing efficiency and space utilization within the barn. While modern mechanization has rendered barn trolleys obsolete, their legacy lives on as a testament to the resourcefulness of rural communities. Sorghum mills. Sorghum mills were the heart of small-scale sorghum syrup production, a cherished tradition in many farming communities. These mills were used to extract juice from sorghum cane, which was then boiled down to produce sweet, amber-colored syrup. The process involved feeding the cane through rollers, crushing it to release the precious juice. The juice was then collected and cooked down in large kettles over an open flame, gradually transforming into syrup through evaporation. While sorghum mills were once a common sight on family farms, the tradition of sorghum syrup making has waned in modern times, making these mills a nostalgic reminder of a bygone era. Root cellars. In the days before refrigeration, root cellars were nature's gift to farmers, ensuring the year-round freshness of their harvests. Built underground, these cool sanctuaries kept fruits, vegetables, and meats at optimal conditions, prolonging their shelf life without the need for modern technology. While refrigeration has taken over, root cellars remain as reminders of the self-sufficiency and resourcefulness of generations past.